Hi friends, it's that time of the year again. Curateur time. So we are going to unbox Curateur. Okay, first thing is this amazing, snuggly little wrap. How gorgeous is this? Oh my gosh. And, okay, wait, let me see how it goes. I think it, oh yes. Okay, so there's this little hole in here and you slip this through the hole like this. And how gorgeous is that? Oh my gosh, so snuggly. Love that so much. And perfect. Okay, that is by, and it tells you, it gives you a little, okay, so Rachel Zoe, she put this together and it gives you a little, this is appareil and it's called the Bambi scarf. Love that. Okay, what's next? The next thing is, okay, Milk makeup. And this is it's called their Rise mascara. So, okay, this is oh, and it's like rubber on the outside. Okay, that's weird. This is the applicator here. And yeah, so I always love a mascara. Getting excited to use that. Perfect. Then, okay, this is a piece of jewelry. Usually they have like one piece of jewelry. And this one is from, let's see, it's from Jackie Mac. And okay, how gorgeous are these earrings? This would be so cute on New Year's Eve. Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna wear these on New Year's Eve. I love that so much. Okay, love that. Okay, moving on. Then there's a little handbag, a little woven handbag. This is really cute. And this is by Virginia Woolf. And it's sort of like a pewter color. Yeah, and it has a little tassel. And it's a perfect little pouch for like a night out. Like maybe I'll wear this on New Year's Eve too. So how cute is that? Love that. Great little bag there. Love it. Then this, okay, this is by Nurse Jamie. And this is like, okay, it has a little charger here. And what you do is you turn the power on, and it can be heated as well, but you can use this on your eye, on your eyebrow, and on your cheek, and on your chin. Like, how cool is this thing? Like, my daughters are gonna really want to steal this. I know they will. Okay, and last but not least is, no, I think that's it. Oh no, one more thing. Oh no, okay, here's the deal. There isn't one more thing. So, but you have a choice. They'll give you a choice online. Do you want the gold earrings or the pewter earrings? Do you want the Milk brand mascara, or do you want the, whatever that is, like the toner? So you get to choose different items. It's a quarterly subscription. And what I like to do, I always say, is sometimes if I don't keep it for myself, I give it away for gifts. So someone might be getting this for a gift sometime on their birthday or for Christmas. So with that, thank you for watching and have a great Christmas and New Year's.